taking the Northeast by storm. A very quiet, peaceful storm. Jerry Sanders Ponds, design and installation. A proven professional, Jerry transforms your backyard from grass to your private oasis with a never-ending stream of running water through rocks into a crystal-clear pond. He designs and landscapes each pond to create the mood you seek. The pond you see was built in a residential neighborhood on a 20 by 20 foot backyard with no natural water source, but it looks and feels like a stream you drive to in the country to get away from it all. And all you need do is step out your back door. And he will work within your budget, finish the project in just days, or start the project, enjoy what you have, then add to it as time passes. However you want it done, the beauty is ever changing. To contact Jerry, just call or message 518-538-7772 if you want to transform your backyard and your life.